Kasi kinakabahan pa rin talaga ako. Paano makakarating ng Narita ako? Ay, good luck po talaga. Ay, God. Ayoko na maging strong, independent woman. Gusto ko na lang gusto ko na ulit maging passenger princess, boyfriend. What's your time? Yan, nakita na namin yung camera po. Thank you, baby. Good morning! So, it's another day. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kagabi pagdating ko sa airport sa Narita kasi pagod na ako. Bangag na ako. Kasi, ang ginagawa ko, pagkatapos ng shift ko, diretso alis na ako, diretso airport na ako. Ang out ko is 5 o'clock in the morning. So, from 5 o'clock in the morning until 10:55 o 10:25 kagabi, wala akong tulog, walang pahinga. Kaya, pagod na pagod ako. Pagod na pagod. So, dumating ako sa Narita around 6:10 in the evening. On time naman yung flight. And then, thankfully, sinundo ako ng kapatid ko tsaka nung asawa niya. Kaya, hindi ako nahirapan pumunta dito sa hotel. And then, after that, pagka alis namin sa airport, kumain lang kami, nag-dinner, tapos konting kwentuhan, and then, yun, diretso na dito sa hotel. Kasi, for sure, pagod din sila. And, ayun, sobrang thankful ko na sinundo nila ako kasi may dalawa akong malaking luggages and I can't imagine kung ano magiging itsura ko or like most importantly, kung makakapunta ba ako dito sa hotel ko on my own. Kasi yung each luggages ko nasa less than 15 kilos each. Ang liit ko, ang payat ko. Anyway, dapat, ang original plan is, pagkagaling ko pag-arrive ko sa Narita Airport, susundin nga ako ng mga kapatid ko, and then ihahatid nila ako sa Haneda. Kasi, dapat susundin ko yung boyfriend ko. Sa Haneda Terminal 2 siya maglalande. Kaya lang, hindi natuloy yun. Dahil, yung flight niya from Dublin from London to Qatar, na delay. So, hindi niya naabutan yung flight from Doha to Japan. Kaya, na-move yung flight niya to today, October 31, ng 12 noon. So, ngayon, I'm ready to go out and good luck to me. Kasi, yung navigation skills ko ay very questionable. Kaya, let's hope and pray na makapunta ako sa airport. Pero, ano lang naman basta may internet ka, basta may Google Maps ka, makakarating ka. Dapat. Pero kung yung navigation skills mo ay kasing lala ng sa akin, good luck. Pero, so, pagkatapos nito, lalabas na ako, punta na ako sa train station. May malapit na, train station dito. Nakalimutan ko yung pangalan niya. Let's pause. Ayun, nakita ko na. So, may malapit lang na, na train station dito. 4 minutes walk from the hotel. Ang pangalan niya ay, Anamori Inari Station. So, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano mag-navigate kung paano mag-navigate sa Japan using Google Maps. Sobrang dali lang niya. So ayan, open nyo lang yung Google app nyo, tapos i-search nyo lang yung location nyo, yung current location nyo, and then yung destination kung saan kayo pupunta. In my case, dito ko sa Apa Hotel, and then pupunta ako sa Narita Terminal 2. Tapos punta lang kayong maps. Tapos, Ayan o, magsasuggest naman si Google ng mga options nyo. So, eto pwedeng by car, kung may private car kayo, by train, pwedeng lakarin kung malapit lang yung pupuntahan nyo, pwede rin naman mag-bike. In my case, dito tayo sa train, and ito yung mga suggestions na pwede nyo i-try. So, mamili na lang kayo kung ano yung pinaka-okay sa situation nyo. I think in my case, I would have to use, asan na yun? Ala na wala. Ito ba yun? Itong pinaka-last. I know, not this one. Kasi merong ano eh. At ito ata pala. So, itong, in my case, itong option na to yung kukunin ko kasi isang ano lang, hindi na ako magpapalipat-lipat ng train. I know, not this one. But anyway, so, ayun na nga. Ito na yung results na pwede niyong pagpilian. So, bahala na lang talaga kayo kung ano yung pinaka-okay na option sa inyo. So, ayun lang yung plan for today. Sunduin si boyfriend and ano ba, after nun siguro pahinga ng konti and then punta kami ng Tokyo. Kasi kailangan kong bumili ng camera. Bibili ako ng DJI Action 5 Pro. Ayun yung gagamitin ko na camera pag umakit kami ng Mount Fuji. Kasi feeling ko, I need something robust. I need something na hindi ko kailangan bibihin. Kasi itong Osmo Pocket 3, very gentle ako sa kanya. So, hindi ko siya dadalhin. And I'm worried na pag ito yung ginamit ko, baka wala ako masyadong footages na makuha. So, I'd rather get the DJI Action 5 Pro para, hindi ako masyadong mag-worry pag gagamitin ko na siya. So, that's the only plan for today. And, ano yun? Ano ba? Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung room namin. Again, we are at Appa Haneda. Appa Hotel Haneda. And, ang hirap Kasi, ayun, Appa Hotel Haneda, Anamori Inari Ekime. So, ayun. Let's pause the video and I'll show you the room. So, ayun, pagbukas mo na pintuan, ito na agad yung view. Mamaya, kwento ko sa inyo kung ano makikita dyan. Excuse me. And then, dito muna tayo sa toilet. And, ayan. Medyo malaki, for a Japanese standard room. For me, medyo spacious siya. Kasi yung hotel namin last year, hanggang mula dyan sa toilet, hanggang dito, ayun lang yung space niya. Tapos, okay, meron tayong available na 2 tissues, and then, of course, yung magic buttons ng Japanese toilet. Meron ka ng, pang shower, pang wide, cleanse, dito for women. Spray tray, pwede mas malakas. Kung gusto mo yung nakakalinis pati kaluluwa mo, pwede yan. And then, makes it temperature. And then, from here, may 2 towel na binigay, yung isa gamit ko na. And then, 2 hand towel. We have a big mirror. Yung toiletries and stuff. Andyan na rin. Meron kang pang shave. Comb. You have toothbrush. May shower cap. And then, body towel. And then, what else? Cleansing pad. Tapos may, rin siya, cotton buds. And then, may paper cup sila. In fairness yung body wash na try ko na mabango siya. Pero I don't normally use yung mga shampoo and conditioner sa hotel. So, that's that. And then, ito na. Okay naman yung, for me, itong bathtub, saktong-sakto sa akin. And, maganda yung malakas yung pressure ng tubig. So, ang sarap maligo. Hot and cold na yan. So from here, asan na yung pang ano? Ito hindi ko alam. I guess pang sapatos siya. And, may trash can. Ito ay luggage rack. Tapos we have a, like a table here. Ito, may free sila na 2 bottled water. And then, ito ay, what's this? Yeah, antibacterial deodorizing mist. And then, dito sa TV, nakalagay na dyan yung Wi-Fi password and yung Wi-Fi network. Tapos, ano pa ba? Yan, we have a small freezer. Wala siyang laman and hindi siya naka-on pagdating ko. So, you have to turn it on. At yung jellies na yan, bigayan ng kapatid ko. And then, we have these, kung mahilig kayo magkape, tsaa, stirrer, sugar. May, ano to? Initan ng tubig. Tapos, ay, ito pala yung ano, may bathrobe. Ito yung hinahanap ko kagabi. Meron pala yun. Tapos, what's this? I guess, laundry bag. Oh, we have a tissue. Nice. Wala akong chance na tignan siya kagabi kasi pagod na ako. And then, from here, we have a huge window. Hindi naman maganda yung view. So, mamaya na lang. Parking lot lang yung view. And then, ito na yung bed. I guess, double to. Yeah, very comfy naman siya. And, ayan lang yung background. Tapos, ayan o, yung dalawa kong malaking luggage. So, yeah. Hindi ko talaga ma-imagine kung paano ako makakaalis ng airport without my boyfriend. Buti na lang talaga sinundo ako ng kapatid ko. So, ayan lang. And, tingnan na natin yung view. Ayan no, parking space lang. So, that's it. And, I guess I'm stalling. Kasi kinakabahan pa rin talaga ako. Paano ako makakarating ng Narita? But, ay, good luck to me talaga. I'm out. Dito na ako sa labas ng hotel. And, ayan yung entrance na. And, oh my god, this is it. I'm so scared. Tama ba to? Pupunta na ako sa Anna Murray Inari Station. And it says here, 1 minute away lang siya. So, ay, papalayo ako. So, dito dapat. Ito na sinasabi ko. Maaga akong umalis ng hotel kasi nga, I want to have extra time just in case na, maligaw-ligaw ako. Oh my God. Ayoko na maging, strong, independent woman. Gusto ko na ulit maging passenger princess, boyfriend. So, sabi naman dito, 1 minute away lang yung station from the hotel. Ebe, bakit? Saan ba? Ba't lumalayo? Asan ako? Where am I? See? Ito, tingnan mo. Where? Ito na ang hirap. Hindi ko alam. Oh my God. Saan ako? Wait nga. Ito na sinasabi ko eh. Madali lang dapat to, pero holy cow. Boyfriend. I can do this. Oh my God. Ayan. Mukhang nahanap ko na siya. Kalimat. And oh. Tama na siya, yung dots, mga blue dots, na ano ko na siya. Nasusundan ko na siya. So, ayan, since okay na, pakita ko sa inyo yung neighborhood ng hotel. Ay, may train na dadaan. Ang lang, super peaceful, super tahimik. Ay, may local market. Train! Saya! Palang 1 minute away lang siya. Oh my God, ito na. Ito lang pala yung 7-Eleven. Ito na. I made it! I'm so proud of myself. Tapos gusto ko maging travel vlogger. Ganito kasimpleng nga lang. Diyos ko Lord. Hirap na ako. Kailangan ko pala mag-charge na IC ko. Hold on. Kailangan ko tingnan kung ilan pa yung laman. Ayan o, pag mag-charge ka ng IC card, ito lang. IC card is yung ganito, train station card. Ang pwede mo siyang gamitin kahit saan. Wait lang ha. So ayan, pakita ko sa inyo kung paano mag-charge ng IC card. May language naman, option. So, English. Ayaw niya ma-touch.
Guidance will be displayed in English.
Lagay lang dyan yung IC card, tapos siguro 4,000. And then dito lang yung lagay yung money. Now charging. It didn't display how much I have. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. Nakarating ako sa train station. And yan yung yung tinawag ko kanina. Tapos ang cute lang ng train station, no? Very small town yung feel. Ako na lang mag-isa dito sa train station, kaya makakapag-vlog na ako ng maayos. And look, ang cute ng train station. Very small town yung feel. And tapos, doon ako tumawid kanina, and then, I'm not sure kung makikita ba. Hold on, zoom natin. Ayan o, so, dito ako pumasok, and then, umakit lang ako doon sa may hagdanan, tumawid ako para makapunta ako dito sa platform 2. And, yeah, I feel so palakas, kasi, I feel so proud of myself. Ay, hindi siya, metal. I can't. Anyway. Dito na lang. Yan. I feel so proud of myself kasi, well, hopefully, makarating talaga ako sa airport. But, yeah. 10:13 pa yung train line na sasakyan ko. May dumaan ng asako sa line, pero hindi ko siya sinakyan. Kasi pagka ayun, parang kailangan ko pa mag-transfer. Pagka dun sa train line, KQ line, yun yung sasakyan ko. Parang lilipat lang ako ng platform pagdating ko sa may asako sa hindi. Basta sa isang station. Tapos, yun, diretso narita na ako. Mahirap na magbaka sakali. Ayokong maligaw. Kaya, baka magalit sa akin yung jowa kung makapag-break sa akin. Charot! I'll see you at the airport. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. I made it dito sa Terminal 2, Narita. And andito na ako sa may arrival area. Wala pa si boyfriend, pero he's gonna be landing in about 55 minutes. So, probably mga after an hour, magkikita na kami. And I'm so proud of myself. I know, medyo siguro parang OA na. Pero, kasi hindi talaga ako magaling sa navigation. And, yeah, I'm just celebrating little wins like this. Kasi nga, nakaka-proud. So, maglalakad-lakad muna kaya ako dito. So, from the station where I started kanina, sa Anamori Inari Station up to Terminal 2 dito sa Narita. About 1 hour and 40 minutes ang biyahe. Tapos hindi na ako nagpalipat-lipat. Actually, one time lang pala, lumabas ako dun sa original train, and then lumipat lang ako ng bumaba ako sa may Asako Shinagawa Station ata yun. Tapos, lumipat lang ako ng platform, and then sumakay ulit ako ng train, and then ayun. Tapos, habang naghihintay kay boyfriend, tingnan natin kung ano makikita dito sa Terminal 2. Ito, dyan, ABC kung yung mga luggage pickup. Siguro, baggage delivery. Tapos yung mga wifi, pocket wifi, SIM card, siguro dito rin what do you call this? Kukunin. Tapos may Starbucks. And, wala. Ito may mga sitting areas naman. Kung masyado kayo napaaga and matagal-tagal pa yung hinihintay nyo, makapagpahinga naman kayo dito. Ay, ano pala ito napuntahan ko? Arrival area A. Tapos, sa other side naman yung arrival area B. Tapos, pag lumabas ka, may mga bus station dyan. Narita Airport. Oh, dito ka bibili ng ng bus ticket. Siguro yung mga limousine bus dito ka bibili. And dito naman sa terminal maraming ATM, so pagdating nyo pwede na kayo agad mag-withdraw ng pera, wala kayong dalang cash. And punta tayo dun sa vending machine where you can buy SIM card. Tapos may currency exchange din dito, pero wag na lang. Mas maganda minsan yung direct kayong mag-withdraw ng pera sa ATM. Kasi hindi maganda yung palitan pagka sa currency exchange. Tapos ito yung SIM card vending machine. Pero, ayan, ito yung prices niya. Medyo mahal. Kaya mas maganda rin na bumili na lang kayo beforehand. Sa Shopee meron, sa Klook meron. Yung SIM card na gamit ko sa Shopee ko siya binili. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo. And, ayun lang. Hintayin ko na lang muna si boyfriend. And I'll see you later. Mamaya makikita niyo na rin siya. So, boyfriend is done with the immigration. And he's just getting his luggage now. And in a minute, he's gonna come out of this exit. And, I'm finally gonna see him! That's my boyfriend. Hi. I'm surprised.
Hi, baby.
We're together. We're going back to the hotel.
Some of my luggage.
Yeah, and then what we're gonna do?
We will have a chat.
About?
Any chat. Just
No.
gonna be talking.
So after we dropped off the luggage, his luggages at the hotel, we're gonna go back to Tokyo. We're gonna go to Tokyo. And
We're
then,
not going to Tokyo. We need to have a chat first.
then we're gonna go to Tokyo. We're gonna get my camera.
Oh yeah.
And then he's gonna buy me stuff.
This whole video is wrong completely. Like she's lying from first minute to the last. The only true that is in that video is that we're going to Tokyo.
He's gonna give me his credit card and his credit card details, and then I'm gonna
I
finally
will.
spend all his money.
I will. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give her the credit card.
You have to show proof, okay, that you're gonna give me the credit card and he using it.
I'll give you the credit card. Yes.
He's
Give you the
definitely.
pin and everything.
Now he's lying.
No. I'll give you everything. I'll give you everything. I promise I'll give you everything.
That's a fat lie.
No, it's not. But who said that there's gonna be any money on the card?
Yeah.
So I
See?
will give you the card with pin and all that.
See, that's why. That's not a trade. What now? Stop. Okay. So, from Narita Terminal 2, we're now at Nippuri Station, and it cost us 2,560 yen each.
Yes.
the train ticket. So from here, we're gonna transfer to Yamanote Line, right?
Where?
Yamanote Line for the train.
I'm not sure yet. I need cash. Did you spend my money already?
Yeah,
I need
because
to
this
withdraw
guy didn't listen to me. I
She
told
spent
him.
all my money on the way from the airport to this first station, and she embarrassed me like 6 times on the way.
But that's not true about me spending his money. He hasn't given
But-
me any money yet. But
The
the
second part is-
embarrassment, yeah, absolutely true. So from here, he's just gonna withdraw money. He's gonna charge his IC card. IC card is like this. We have iCoca. This is actually for Osaka. Then for Tokyo, they have Suica card. So we're just gonna charge it to use the train station. To use for the train station, and yeah, you can use it in a lot of different establishments. So not just for the train, you can use it at 7-Eleven, cafes as well, even at Starbucks, and what else? Even other small businesses, a vending machine, gashokon machines, you can use this. So if you're going to Japan, definitely get one.
It's mine.
Why are you giving it to me?
Just showing I have it too, that's all.
So yeah, we're just, and we'll get back to you once he's finally done with
This is definitely not from...
He stole another blanket at Qatar Airways.
That's totally not true. I stole one from the Qatar and one from Beijing.
So if you're, the management of any of those airlines, this is the culprit for your missing blankets.
Well, I'm very poor European. I need a blanket just in case I sleep on the street.
You know what, actually, I thought it's only like Asians or Filipinos that do that, but I was very surprised when I found out that even Europeans do that. Because even at the hotel, like the previous hotels that we've been into, he stole some of the...
That is such a bad word to use, like stole.
So what word should I be using then?
I borrow it, I'm planning to return it
Yeah, right.
in lifetime, something.
So watch out if this is gonna be your guest. Watch out. We'll get back to you guys. See you at the hotel. Manulobot na ako kaya yeah, probably see you at the hotel.
Manila Hokomaya.
You definitely did not understand a single word of that.
I don't know.
You definitely need to learn Tagalog, you know? Especially if you're talking to my parents.
I have you as a translator, so...
No. Okay, let's go. Yeah, madilim. Yeah, we're out. We freshen up?
Oh yes, we're going to a big camera now.
Yes.
I'm googling where...
So,
Where do you want to go? Which one?
it's up to you. So, I'm done being a
Oh, I forgot.
strong, independent woman. My boyfriend is here, so I'm gonna be back to being a passenger princess. Thanks,
Shocking.
boyfriend. Thanks, boyfriend. You're the best.
You know, I'm not in the kind of think again. Like, I'm,
Like
like
it's-
half of my head is gone. Like, could you at least focus on that?
So this is again.
The angle, you need to get used to it. Yeah?
This is so difficult. I have to like
You need to really zoom in out,
Like,
so I can be visible.
look at the height difference. Like I'm just a little bit above your shoulder. Oh my god.
Yeah. Finally, that's a good angle. If you want, I can step up a little bit back there. There you go.
Ang hirap.
Yeah.
Like
it's
yung
gonna be like this.
yung kamay ko nakaganon siya pag magva-vlog para lang makasama siya sa sa frame kasi pag hindi pwedeng ganito otherwise pag magkadikit kami ayan wala na siya putol na yung ulo niya.
Exactly.
Of course you understand everything that I said.
100%.
Yeah. I'm so happy that you're being useful right now.
What do you mean right now?
Like, look at his face.
You know that thing with when she said right now?
Yeah.
44 minutes by train.
Oh, that's good. Where are we going?
We're going to Taito City, Tokyo Station basically. So it's at the big camera.
Okay.
So just want to see.
Oh, pet hotel.
Okay.
So, same station? Anamori?
It says it's closed at 7. It
What?
says it's closed at 7.
Oh, God. So we'll get back to you once he figured out where we're going or what train station we're using. He knows where we're going. He found a big camera that's gonna be open a little bit later, maybe 9 until 9 p.m. And it's only what, 23 minutes away?
Yeah, if we hurry up, it's only 3 minutes away.
Oh, yes sir. Sa gabi pala nag-open yung mga yung mga store, oh. Kasi kanina, siya may flower shop, oh. Ang ganda talaga dito sa very local yung feel. And, ibabalik tayo dun sa station na binabaan namin kanina. Anna Marie Inardi Station. So, we're good to cross. Ayan siya, oh. Cute!
I like the location up here.
Yeah, it's very,
Locally.
very local.
That's
Tapos,
on outside.
yeah?
Say so, yeah?
Okay, we need to run. Baby, hurry!
Oh, no, she... No. Sorry.
So, ayan, kalabas na kami ng train station and we're going to the big camera, the one that's closest to our hotel. And I'm gonna get my camera! I'm gonna buy a DJI Action 5 Pro. I'm gonna be using it.
Watch the step, baby, yeah? Health and safety.
You didn't see? Baby, you're not taking care of me.
I am.
You didn't warn me. Oh, look! Wait, let me show them. Look at their manhole. Baby, we haven't done this in a long time. Remember we used to do this? No, you have to.
Oh,
Yeah, we used to do this all the time on our first trip. So, okay, let's go. Very local. Again, paulit-ulit na lang yung sinasabi kong very local you feel. But it's not the touristy area kasi. Navigator, what are you doing? Is this? Ayan, no. Ang saya lang. Feeling local kaming dalawa. Dun sa area namin, may pailan-ilan na foreigners, pero hindi ganun kadami. Unlike pag nasa Tokyo ka, nasa Asakusa. Look! Ang saya. So, this is how it looks like kapag dito ka nakatira sa Japan. Ayan, ang daming vending machine. Hindi ka mauuhaw. Here? Okay, this way. Yan, nakita na namin yung big camera. Thank you, baby. I love you. Finally gonna, we're going to enter. Haggard na pawisan na. Oh, other side. Oh, here. So this is the entrance. Wala silang like usually meron silang legend kung anong floor or kung saang floor yung mga bagay-bagay. Let's just see. Oh, okay. So it should be on the third floor. Found it. Ito yung sinasabi kong legend, oh. Tapos, ayan, sabi, third floor yung mga cameras. So we're gonna head there. And we'll see if, nakakabili ako ng DJI Action Pro 5. Well, for sure, meron naman yan. So, ito yung presyo ng DJI Pocket 3. This is yung standard combo. Ito naman yung adventure combo. But, ito pala ang ito yung gusto kong bilhin. And ito yung price ng ano to? Ito yung price pagka standard combo, tapos ito yung adventure pack. Ito yung kukunin ko. Oh. So, tax-free, magiging 56,700 yen. Ito yung prices ng mga accessories o pag binili mo siya individually. Mahal din. Kaya parang mas okay na nga na bilhin mo yung adventure combo kaysa bilhin mo siya isa-isa. And kinukuha na ni ate yung yung unit ko. So ito yung price, and then pagka may tax-free pa siya, magiging 56,700 yen na lang. So I got the contraband. Like, where it is? It's showing. This is so chaotic. There we go. And I'll show it to you guys properly later. And it cost me like 23,700 pesos. So because of the tax, I only got it for 56,700 yen. And then in Philippine peso, that is 23,700. So I actually saved about 4,000 pesos. Kasi sa Pilipinas, yung adventure pack nasa 27,000 mahigit yun eh. So, yeah, good deal. And now, I need to find my boyfriend. He should be at the first floor. Te-text ko na siya. Boyfriend, I'm done. How are you? So, balikan ko kayo pag magkasama na kaming dalawa. Found my boyfriend. He's at the watch area, and yeah, he found something that he likes. So what do you think? I really like that one better than the other one.
I like it too.
That's really pretty. It's like classic and sporty.
Yeah. Not too big, not too small.
Yeah, that's just perfect for your wrist.
Yeah. Sure.
Probably he's gonna buy the watch once we get back from Mount Fuji. But yeah, right now he's just checking out some designs. May mga ano pa pala, may mga ring watches pa. Usong-uso yan before eh. Nung bata ako, lagi napapadala ng ganyan sila ate. May Hello Kitty watch pa nga ako before eh, na ganyan. But ang cute, ang liit. That's like 20,900 yen. Mahal kasing price na niya yung regular size ng watch. Grabe.